like rockets zooming high, red like apples and cherry pie. Red is bold, it shouts hooray, red lights up the world today.
Blue like bubbles in the air, blue like whales without a care. Blue is cool, a breezy hue, splashing waves in sky so blue.
Yellow like sunshine on my face, yellow like stars in outer space. Yellow shines and makes us smile, let's dance in yellow for a while. Green like jungles full of trees, green like bugs and buzzing bees. Green means go, let's run and play, green brings joy in every way. Silver like tigers jumping fast, orange like sunsets that always last. Orange pops like a circus show, catch the orange, let's go, go, go. Purple like wizards casting spells, purple like magic fairy bells. Purple sparkles soft and bright, purple glows in the moonlight.
Pink like cupcakes full of cream, pink like candy in a dream. Pink is sweet and oh so fun, pink shines brighter than the sun.
Brown like cookies, fresh and warm, brown like bears that hug and charm. Brown is cozy, soft and deep, like storybooks before we sleep. Black like night with stars so gold, black like secrets quietly told. Black is smooth, it's cool and neat, as shadows dance upon your feet. White like snowflakes in the sky, white like clouds that float up high. White is clean and full of peace, like silent doves that never cease.
Rainbow colors swirling round, spinning magic up and down. Paint the sky, the trees, the ground, colors dance with joyful sound.
Like jungles full of trees, green like bugs and buzzing bees. Green means go, let's run and play, green brings joy in every way.
Sulu.